Welcome, today I am with REALME C25Y and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass. Okay, so at the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see a very image that you have on your display. And by the way, in this phone you can find factory screen protection. As you can see, it's a very thin foil. You can remove this foil or leave it and install glass on the foil. You can decide. I'm going to make the installation on this foil to improve the screen protection. Open the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find these two wipes, wet and the dry. So at first we are going to start with the wet one. And clean your screen to remove all of this mess from your display. Okay, as you can see, after a few simple moves, we remove everything. Next, open dry wipe. And just do the same. Remove wet cleaning marks. Okay, as you can see, it goes really fast. Right now you can finally grab the tempered glass and you have to remove this sticker. So just grab it like that, remove it gently, and as you can see it comes with this foil. Right now just grab your screen protection like that, and put it the top of the glass on your screen. You have to remember that you have to keep holding at the bottom part. So right now try to put it correctly. The same for the both edges. Okay, I think that in my case everything is fine. Maybe I have to move it a little bit to the left side. Okay, like that. So right now, when you are sure that everything's fine, put your finger right here. And then finally, you have to put the bottom part. Right now, you can press, for example, right here. In most cases, it will just go automatically, but we have to press. One more time. And there it goes. And bang, it's finished. Of course, we can still find something right here. We can find here the glue marks. They are under the glass between foil or display and our glass. So how we can remove them? That's very simple. Just grab dry wipe and simply press like that. As you can see, it disappears. Okay, and as you can see right now it's finished, so we can turn on our device and check for the display sensitivity. As you can see, everything is fine. So that's how we can apply tempered glass on display in REALME C25Y. why. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.